Bluetooth not working? Don't worry. We will fix it on every device in under 3 minutes.
Bluetooth problems come in many forms. Device not found. Connected but no sound. Keeps disconnecting. Pairing fails. Toggle grayed out. Audio lagging. Let us break them all down.
Before we dive into each platform, try these 3 universal fixes first. They solve most Bluetooth issues. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Restart your device, and if that does not work, forget the device and repair from scratch. On Windows 11, start with the built-in troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, then Bluetooth. If that does not work, open Device Manager and check for error codes 10, 43, or 52. Update your Bluetooth driver, or roll it back if the problem started after an update. Disable power saving for the adapter. And restart the Bluetooth support service using Services MSC.
On Mac, toggle Bluetooth and restart. If issues persist, hold Shift and Option, click the Bluetooth icon and reset the Bluetooth module. Delete corrupted preference files. And for Intel Macs, an SMC reset can work wonders.
On Android, go to Connected Devices and make sure Media Audio is turned on for your Bluetooth device. Clear the Bluetooth cache from App Settings. For persistent issues, open Developer Options and change the Bluetooth AVRCP version to 1.4.
On iPhone, toggle Bluetooth from Settings, not Control Center. Forget and repair your device. iOS 26 has a brand new setting called Keep Audio with Headphones. Enable it to stop your audio from being hijacked by car stereos. If all else fails, reset Network Settings.
Now for special cases. Connected but no sound? Check your audio output device and make sure Media Audio is enabled. Car will not pair? Clear both your phone's and the car's device lists, then repair. TWS earbuds showing as 2 separate devices? Factory reset them by holding the case button for 10 seconds.
To prevent future issues, keep your OS and drivers updated. Periodically, forget unused devices. Keep peripherals charged. Avoid USB 3.8 near Bluetooth adapters. And use the latest Bluetooth version when possible.
If this video helped you, hit subscribe and like. Drop a comment with your specific Bluetooth issue and we will try to help. See you next time.